Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a skincare video tutorial showing you guys how the Personal Microderm by PMD works. And this is the box that it comes in, and this is an at-home microdermabrasion kit. So we are going to be testing this out together. I have already used it once, but just want to show you guys how it works. So if you have been following me for a while, you know that I have really oily skin. I definitely have problematic skin and actually have gotten professional treatments before at the dermatologist, microdermabrasion done before. So yeah, so I was super excited to try it out, to try this product out, to see what this at-home microdermabrasion is talking about, y'all. So this is what it looks like. It comes with this charger, and so I have this plugged into my wall, and it also comes with different colored discs. They are various sizes depending on basically how much pressure you want. So you are supposed to always start off with the white disc. So inside the box, it lets you know the intensity level of each disc. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. And so I'm just going to go ahead and go in with the blue disc tonight. The blue disc is on the lower end of the sensitivity scale, so I'm just going to keep it simple for tonight. You just put the disc on the product like this, and it just attaches on there. And it has two different speed levels as well. And so I'm just going to go in with the lower speed. And you are supposed to replace the discs every 3 to 4 uses. And y'all, when you are using this product, make sure that your skin is thoroughly cleansed. I have rinsed off of all of my makeup and don't have anything on my face. You're supposed to add your toner and moisturizer after you finish. You're also not supposed to hover the machine in just one place. So what you do is just hold the skin like this and then glide it across. Y'all, you're also not supposed to go over the same area twice, so I'm trying to make sure I don't do that. And the mirror is behind me, so I am looking behind me to make sure I am not going over the same. But as y'all can see, like, the skin is already like coming up, and I do have some, my skin is really weird. It's oily but then dry at the same time in some spots, so I guess combination skin is what I have. But for the most part, as the hours go on, my skin gets like more and more oily. And it definitely doesn't hurt or anything. It just feels like a suction. So I am also going to make sure, I think we're going to make sure I have my nose together, and then I'm going to go underneath my neck. You can actually see the skin in here. I'm going to take this off so y'all can see. So So I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but it is definitely some dead skin in there. So when you finish, you just rinse this cap off and clean this top piece off as well. Microdermabrasion is perfect for just exfoliating the top layer of dead skin, and my face already feels smoother, y'all. Like, I like this machine. I actually really like it a lot, and it's honestly perfect since we have been quarantined and you might not feel comfortable going to your regular skincare appointments if that's something that you were doing before. So yeah, this is just a great alternative. It also helps your skincare products absorb into the skin 20 times deeper. So that is like super cool to just really make sure your products are actually penetrating your skin. Also, over time, the machine will help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, any discoloration in the skin. And so I'm just going to continue to use this over the next few weeks and see what kind of improvement I see. If you have tried this machine, let me know in the comments. If you plan on trying it, let me know. I'm definitely going to have the link listed below for you guys to check it out. What I'm going to do is follow up with my favorite toner next. So I'm using my Glossier toner. And so I just put a little bit on a cotton swab and go over. And you also want to make sure you are toning your neck area as well. Everything you do to your face, you need to be doing the exact same thing to your neck. For my last step, I'm going to go in with my moisturizer. And it's also recommended to only use this Microderm product every 5 to 7 days. So you do not want to use it every day. It's not necessary to use it that often. So pretty much once a week is all you need. I am also adding my lip mask. I like to add a lip mask at night, y'all, so I can wake up with smooth lips. So that is the last step of my skincare routine. So yeah, I forgot to mention that there are also larger discs that you can use with this machine. And this machine can definitely be used for other parts of your body, not just the face. And so if you are using it for a larger area on your body, you can use one of these larger discs that comes with the product. Leave any questions or anything that you have below. And thank y'all so much for watching. Definitely check out this product. Let me know again if you do. And so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video.